Today we are going to learn recursion in Python in a very simple way. What is recursion? Recursion means a function that calls itself. Let's understand with a real life example. Imagine you are going downstairs. Right now you are standing on step 5. So if you have a plan to go to the downstairs, first of all you need go to the step 4, then go to the step 3, then go to the step 2, 1, 0. Finally it will be complete or done. What are you doing here? You are repeating the same actions again and again, but each time with smaller number. This is exactly how recursive works. In every recursive function must have a base case when to stop. Like we said, when 0 it will be done, right? A recursive calling itself. Now let's see the code. This is a simple example. And here we explain the code's def functions. It's used for we are creating a function named countdown. If n equal 0, this is the base case stop condition when it will be 0. Finally, it will be print done. When we reach steps 0, we stop and print done. Return the ends of the function. Print n. We print the current step number. Countdown n-1 decreasing, like if we go to the next step, smaller number, right? Countdown 5. When we run, the output will be 5 to 4 steering, a smaller number, right? Finally it will be done. Now if we run this command, just copy it, then we can see the result. New, then Python, and paste it here and press shift to enter. You can see the output here. Thank you for watching.